How to resolve FB content monetization policy issues. Yes, I know a lot of people are facing this problem right now and looking for solution, especially those who have met all monetization requirements but cannot monetize because of this problem. So I'm going to give you detailed guidelines on how to resolve this problem and take your page from this to this in less than 7 days.
Are you serious?
Yes, you heard me correctly. I'm going to tell you why your page is facing this issue so you don't make the mistake again, and I will show you how you can fix it as well. So you want to make sure you save this video for later and also share with any page owner facing similar problem. Here are some reasons you may have FB content monetization policies issue. Number one is unoriginality of content. This refers to posting other people's video or content on your page. So this is against Facebook policy, and this might be the reason you are having content monetization policy issues. Number two, using copyrighted or trademarked music. This refers to using some music, jingles, or sound effects to spice up your video, but some of these sounds you add to your video has already been copyrighted by the artist or the producer. So when you use them, you will be flagged by FB robots. Number three, adult content. This refers to sharing videos or pictures that exposes one's private parts, and this type of content is not allowed on the Blue app. So posting such content on the Blue app equals to violations and restrictions. So please be careful on what you post on your page. Number four, clickbait and quality issues. This refers to low quality content and clickbaity content. Facebook does not like seeing words like please comment, please share, please like in your post description box. They see it as clickbait and spam because they believe that if your content provides value to your audience, they would engage with your post rather than being compelled or impelled to do so. So these are some of the reasons you may have content monetization policy issues on your page. There are even more of them, and you can check them out yourself by going to the help and support section of your page and then tap on terms and policy. Please do out to read everything here to help you understand the type of content to post and not to post. But if you newly created your FB page, you would definitely have this problem on your page even though you've not posted any content. But don't panic and don't cry. Facebook will always put this policy issue there for new page owners because they want to understand your page and the type of content you post. So once you've built enough positive presence on your FB page, it will automatically tick green within 30 days. So don't give anyone money to resolve this issue because they just want to rip you. So for those old page owners passing this same problem, here is how you can fix this issue within the next 7 days. Firstly, go to your page's support inbox to see if you've got some messages and alerts about policy and community guideline violations on some of your content. Make sure you delete every content that violates FB content monetization policy in case you find any. As you can see, I've got none on my page. Secondly, go to your page, click here, tap on report a problem. Make sure these two buttons are turned on. Go back a little and select support inbox. Now shake your phone like 5 times. You would see this pop up. Tap on report a problem and scroll down. Select include. As you can see, it has taken screenshot of the support inbox. So now click on this empty box to contact the Facebook support team by describing the issue you are facing. Well, I have already written a nice catchy message format you can use. All you have to do is comment below asking me to send it to you, and I would definitely send it to you. Once you receive it, Copy and paste it here and edit it by including your page name on the required part of this write-up. Afterwards, hit the send button and wait for the FB support team to fix the issue and get back to you. Thirdly, you should try to run FB ads on that page following the steps I'm about to show you right now. You know, this method has always worked every time we tried it, even for those who have had this issue for over a period of 1 year and above. And here is how to do that. First, go to your page and click on professional dashboard, swipe to monetization section and select in-stream ads. Now click on content monetization policies and you will be redirected to another page entirely. Once you get here, click on these two lines here and select start now, which will automatically open your ads manager from where you can run the ads. Kindly note that you are not to set the ad campaign budget. Just allow Facebook to choose the best budget plan for you, but you can only decide how long or how many days you want the ads to run. After setting up your ads campaign, the Facebook support team will review your account before approving the ad. So during this process, they will check if your account violates any of their policies, and if they see you've been following their policies accordingly, they will fix the content monetization policy. So if you guys want me to make a video tutorial on how to set up ads campaign properly, then comment the words ads setup and I will do so. But don't be stingy, share this video so others can learn as well, and do well to follow and subscribe to MG Tech Hub for more content like this. Peace.